Hello, today I'm going to talk about how to do database changes notification in ASP.NET using SignalR and SQL dependency. First, we need to create a database. I am create a database. Name is customer. I add a table. Customer info name and give the columns as ID is integer type and it is auto increment. Say it is Raja 50. His name is also Raja 50, and finally status it is bit, and I save the database. Now we have to check whether our database is enable the block is enabled or not. For that I run a query our database is customer and is block enable is false, so we need to enable is broker enable true for this database. For that I run this query to enable the broker, right? Now we check again our database is enable broker is true or false. Our database is customer and now it is true for the broker enable. Now we create a ASP.NET new web project. I give a name as customer and select folder. I select empty MVC project. Okay. Now I have to add connection string for this solution. So go to the config. Now I add a connection string for the customer table. This is the connection string. Now I have to enable the listener. For that I go to global SAX and this SQL dependency listener start and give the connection string name, and I have to include these libraries and also configuration library. Now I have to stop the listener. This is the code to stop the listener. Now I have to install the package manager SignalR package to this solution. For that go to the views and other windows and package manager console. Install package Microsoft ASP.NET SignalR. Type this code and enter, and please wait for install the package SignalR to this system. Okay, SignalR is successfully installed. Then go to the startup and add this line app.maps signal R. Now add the new folder and name as hubs, and add class and name as hub, and we inherit the hub class. Then add this method, show method, and give the our hub name, and this is the function when call at the JavaScript function. I give the name and display custom. Now I add the controller and controller give a name as customer. Okay, customer controller. And add view. Add the view for the index. I add hidden URL, custom action get customer control and get action, and add a table which has 3 columns: ID, customer name, and tbody has ID as table info. Then go to layout, use shared layout, add JavaScript, go to the scripts, jQuery, SignalR, mint.js, right. Then add script source as SignalR hubs, and this is the main function. I create a variable as customer. This is SignalR connection, and this name should be this name, and it is camel case sensitive. Then client, and this is our function. This is display custom. I will give this function to this, and get data. We have right get data function. Now I write a get data function. The value of get URL is the customer controller get function. Get index is a JSON action, so we have to include these libraries. And our connection string name is customer connection. I have to select ID custom ID, custom name from custom table where status ID not equal 0. They have some limitations when using SQL dependency. Please refer the document attached which attached to my GitHub account. Now we have to create a dependency on change function. This is the dependency on change function, and I have to include my hub class. Then I have to select ID, custom ID, customer name, and I give a name as list, cust equal list. I give the list cost as this name, and our table is customer info. Customer info. Right, DBO customer info and state, not status ID, status. Okay. I run the program. Before run, I have some corrections. This is not EMP ID, is cus ID, and this is cus name, because we use these variables in layout as ID, cus ID, cus name. These are the variable names we create. Then when SQL dependency work, when we have any changes of our database, it trigger and it's go to the dependency on change function. Then go to this function, it go to our customer hub and customer hub show method. Then it go to the JavaScript display customer function. Display customer function, when hit at this point, it go to the get data function. When get data function, it goes to the customer controller and get method and return this list, and it append to our table. That's how to work this SignalR with SQL dependency. Now we run this program. Before run, I have to change the route config, as our control is customer and our action is index. Right. Okay. Now I add some record manually to the database. Customer ID is C01, customer name is name, status is true. When we do any changes of the database, and it's real-time update our data view. That's why using SQL with SQL dependencies. When we do changes on database, it's real-time update for our database grid view. Now I add another record to its also status is true. It's added to the data grid. Now I change the status as false. It's disabled because we are get the status is not equal 0. 0 means false, not equal false means true status only we get for that data grid view for append. This record also false. That's how the database change notification in ASP.NET using SignalR and SQL dependency. Thank you.